Okay, hi there. It's the 21st of November, Sunday. Just having a look at the weekly outlook for euro dollar going into next week. Okay, we've got this large free wave sequence in euro dollar. The question is now whether or not we're actually at the start of a bullish sequence back up, or whether or not this whether or not we're going to get a continuation of lower lows for euro dollar going into sort of 2011. Okay, what we have got shorter term, okay, we have got 5-wave sequence down, which could be seen as A, B, C. Okay, so just because we've got this 5-wave sequence down, we shouldn't naturally assume that we're going to get a 3-wave sequence up and then another bearish count to the downside. But at the moment, we've got to be open to all scenarios. Okay, so we've got 3-wave sequence down. We've got a pullback. It was around 61.8%. Let's just move this over. Okay, what we can see, okay, we can see a move up towards resistance level, correction back lower, and then this bullish impulsive move up, which did reach 161.8%. So it's looking quite good for a bullish count to the upside now. Okay, could also be seen as an ABC correction. So 5 down, ABC correction. That would dictate that we're just going to get a bounce here, small move up, and then an aggressive move down. Obviously, the bulls will be seeing that slightly different. They'll be seeing that as a large ABC sequence, and this being the start of a bullish count back up. Okay, 1, 2, 3. This is a corrective 4, and then 5 up towards this sort of area, up towards 157. Okay, what we do know is that both counts are still alive. We haven't taken out the top of wave 1, okay, at the moment, which is 133.45. If we took out the top of wave 1, that would make this an ABC sequence, because the Elliott wave dictates that wave 4 cannot breach the top of wave 1. Shorter term, yes, decent move off the top. We got this merger of our moving averages again, which is what we talked about in the sterling dollar update. Okay, you've got to be aware of these support levels. So we've got this support level, which we've been talking about on FX Street all this week. Okay, 135.80 down to 134.30. Okay, but a large area of support, but support nevertheless. Still bullish. Okay, on this on the RSI. So looking down into our daily. Now this is what I can see on the daily chart. Again, a bit more complicated. We've got 5 up, ABC down, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, possibly to make 3, if not again an ABC. What we have had, we've had an aggressive move down, a move back up, and we're just clipping our resistance, or we just clipped our resistance level on Friday. We are bearish. We did have divergence off the top. Okay, how's it going to pan out into next week? Well, I think into next week we've got to see the sequence like this. Okay, we've got a possible head and shoulders formation. So this will obviously being the head, this being the shoulder. We need to break this level here, 137.54, to push us up to the head and shoulders target level would be 140.61. Worst case scenario, okay, for this pair is that this is a 5-wave move up, a small corrective wave down in B to this support level 136, and then a push up in wave C, and that will then form 1, 2, and then we're on our way down. Whatever happens going into next week, I'm only expecting a small correction, okay, just down towards this sort of level. Now that could either be wave 2 or wave B. Either scenario, we've got to expect wave C or wave 3 to the upside. So I'm very bullish this pair going into next week. Okay, an ABC sequence will take us up to around this level, around 139. Okay, a 1, 2, 3, which will then start the bullish count again to the upside. Probably looking less likely at the moment, but you're going to be looking sort of a 139.24. So again, just to reiterate what we're expecting, small down at the beginning, and then a bullish sequence up towards 139, 140 area. Thank you.